Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a CAM technique on how to add and edit coolant codes. At first, I will explain about CNC cooling system. In CNC programs, M08 is used to turn on the coolant and M09 is used to turn it off. CADmeister allow you to edit or add specific coolant code in easy ways. First, I will show you the normal steps for outputting NC data. Output NC data, you can set the coolant here, turn it on, or change the type. Select oil coolant and output the NC data.
The coolant is activated with the M08 code and turned off with M09.
Next, we will return to add a selectable coolant type. Go to Output NC Data and open Detailed Setting. In the coolant settings, additional options can be enabled. You can specify a custom code to suit your work requirements. Then click OK and select Yes to save. You will see all the coolant settings you set before appear here. Now test it with user-defined 1 and generate the output to check the result. Here, NC code output with M95 to turn on user-defined 1 coolant. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you next time.